What is going on, guys? Thank you guys for tuning into today's video. My name is Haley Spaceway, and on today's video, I'm gonna drop a couple gems for you guys. I'm gonna give you guys a couple secrets and things that I wish I would have known when I first started trading options, all right? So first thing is first, those of you guys that wanna start trading options, if you don't know what options are, I suggest that you guys go get a book, YouTube, Google it, learn what options are, learn what a put is, learn what a call is, and learn the Greeks, okay? This is super important when learning options, to understand what a call, what a put, because that's basically what options are. And understand the Greeks, what is theta, what is delta, what is gamma, what is vega. All this stuff intertwines with options, and it's gonna help you get a better understanding on how that stock is moving. Learn the platform. Wherever that you're trading on, get an understanding of that platform. I'm gonna give you guys two platforms that I utilize, and this is what works for me, and this is what's been working for me, and this is the platform that I like. So I use Thinkorswim and I use Interactive Broker. I use those two brokerage accounts. I love them. Thinkorswim has a lot of data that you can utilize, and I know it looks a little bit intimidating in the beginning, but learn the app, learn the software, learn to navigate through the platform, because that's gonna help you be successful when trading the markets. You're gonna know where to go, what to utilize, how to utilize it, and how to maximize its potential. Now, I will tell you the two different things between Thinkorswim and Interactive Broker is when you get filled. With Interactive Broker, you do have to pay for the subscriptions. So this is why if you're a beginner and you're just getting started, I recommend that you guys use Thinkorswim because it is free. And I also like Thinkorswim's paper trade feature that it has on there. It's pretty good for beginners. But with Interactive Broker, you are gonna have to pay for the subscription. So this is why I say use Thinkorswim. It's in the beginning, and then move over to Interactive Broker. But Interactive Broker, you get way better fills. And what I mean by you get better fills is when you click the buy button, let's say for instance, you wanna buy as soon as Tesla gets 200, with Interactive Broker, you're more than likely you'll get filled at 200. But with Thinkorswim, you might get filled at maybe 201, 202, 203. You know, it's not precise when you get filled, but it's free. Maybe not so user-friendly in the beginning, but once you get to learn the software, you'll be able to navigate through it. Number 3, learn how to buy a call, learn how to buy a put. And I tell you guys from experience, when I first started trading, I lost $1,500, my first ever trade, because I did not know how to sell it. If you guys heard my story on that, when I first started trading, this was my first trade ever. I placed a trade, I knew how to buy it, but I did not know how to sell it. And in the time that I was losing all this money, I was literally on YouTube. I'm in a trade and I'm on YouTube trying to figure out how do I sell my position. So do not get caught up in how I got caught up. Learn how to buy it and learn how to sell it, okay? This is another thing that you guys can utilize on the Thinkorswim platform with TD Ameritrade. Use the paper trade feature that Thinkorswim gives you in the beginning, all right? That way you guys can learn how to buy it, learn how to sell it, and learn how to navigate through the platform. Now, the thing is, when you enter with real money, emotions are involved. So this is why I don't like paper trades so much, because you don't get the full experience of trading because emotions aren't involved. And trading is 95% emotions, psychological. So you don't really get that aspect of trading when you do paper trading, but paper trading will help you navigate through the platform when you're in a real life scenario. You won't be sitting there on YouTube trying to learn how to close a position. No, you would already have it down pat because you use the paper trade feature, all right? Number 4, learn price action. Understand what price action is. That is the only way that I trade. I trade price action, all right? Price action includes level 2. It includes time and sell. It includes reading value. Those 3 right there all intertwined together. You're gonna use that to execute on your trade. Level 2, time and sales, and value. That is the only thing that I utilize when I am trading. I watch price action. That is it. I'm not a big fan of indicators. I just recently started putting the 9 EMA and the 20 EMA on my chart, but I'm not the biggest fan of indicators. I don't use VWAP. My charts are super clean when I'm trading, all right? I don't have all these lines and it's not looking like, it's not congested. I like to keep my charts nice and clean and simple. Number 5, you need to understand support and you need to understand resistance. That is important. And understand key levels. Learn supply and demand. How to find trends. Are we on an uptrend? Are we on a downtrend? Learn certain patterns like H patterns, green to red, red to green, ascending triangles and descending triangles. Drawing those things up on your chart or just seeing it as you're in a trade is going to help you tremendously. Okay, so understand that. Understanding that will give you a precise picture of what is happening on your chart. As the candles are breaking these levels, you will see whether the market is about to sell off or whether it's going to rally. Have an understanding of what it is that you're trading. For example, Tesla moves with the NASDAQ a lot of times. So if the NASDAQ is pumping, then a lot of times you'll see Tesla is pumping. Or if the NASDAQ is falling, you'll see that Tesla is falling as well. Why? Because Tesla is a part of the NASDAQ. So it moves with the market. So this is how I can tell sometimes whether Tesla is strong or Tesla is weak when I'm in a position. I see the NASDAQ pumping. I see Tesla is struggling to get above. So that tells me that, hey, Tesla is a little weak. It's not moving with the market. So maybe at the time I don't want to go for calls and vice versa. So as you continue to trade, you'll learn the characteristics of these stocks. You'll learn how they move. They all move differently. They all move completely different. Okay. You'll understand that, hey, Tesla doesn't move like SPY. SPY doesn't move like AMD. AMD doesn't move like Netflix. They all move differently. And as you continue to trade, you'll see that. When you are trading, have an understanding of what is happening during the week. Who is speaking this week? Do we have earnings going on this week? What kind of data is getting released this week? Do we have CPI coming out? Do we have job claims coming out? Like, what is happening? Any announcements that's taking place? You're gonna wanna know that before you enter these trades, because a lot of times the market reacts to the data that comes out. Yes, you might see your stock about to break a level and it might be on an uptrend, but maybe Jerome Powell is speaking that day and he says something that the market didn't like and the market just completely tanks. So this is why I say understand what is happening during the week before you enter any trades. That right there will save your account. Number 8, learn to control your emotions when you're in a trade. Become disciplined. And when I say become disciplined, is you want to become disciplined in every aspect of your life. And when I mean become disciplined, you're going to want to become disciplined in every aspect of your life. How you do one thing is how you do everything. So if you slack in going to the gym or eating healthy, whatever it is, then more than likely that's going to transition over to your trades. Being disciplined will help you control your emotions when you're in these trades. Last but not least, risk management. This one here is the most important one of them all. Risk management is key. Risk management will help you not blow an account. I'll give you guys an example. All right. If you have a $100,000 account, then when you enter a position, you only enter the position with 10%. You only enter with 10,000. Of that 10,000, you have a stop loss of either 3, 4, or 5%. 5% will be the max that you lose in that trade. Now that right there will help you from blowing an account completely. That will save you and keep you in the market, keep you in the game for the long haul. All right, now everything that I gave you guys was things that I wish I would have known when I first started trading. The biggest problem that happens is when you watch these YouTube videos, you get a lot of information from a lot of different people. This person's saying one thing, that person's saying another thing. This person trades that way, this person, and there's a lot of different ways to trade. But what I found out was a lot of the successful people that I was watching, they traded price action. And I didn't realize that till after my mentor kind of showed me and broke it all down to me. Then I started realizing like, oh, that person trades price action and that person trades price action as well. So this is the way to do it, I guess. So it's not the way to do it, but it's a way to do it, okay? But hey, if you guys like this video, make sure you guys drop a like. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, man. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think. If you guys want me to go more in depth on some of the things that I explained, let me know in the comments, man. I'll make a video about it. My job here is to just drop a bunch of free game for you guys and just hopes that you guys understand that the market is for everybody and it's for everybody to make money. I'm not a gatekeeper here. There's no reason for me to kind of hold all this knowledge and not share it with the people, all right? So that's what I want to do. I want to drop knowledge, help you guys out, and just help you guys make money, man, all right? So if I can help you guys do that, hey, I accomplished my goal, all right? So hey, make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, share the video, and leave a comment down below, man, and let me know what you guys think, all right? Until the next one, peace out, y'all.